Yeah, let it leak this time. I got doggone gasket sealer all the way around both sides of that gasket. If it leaks this time, there's something problem. I tell you, if it leaks this time, there is a problem. So I'm fixing to put this down into the hole and put the screws in it. Screws out on the floor over here where I picked it up this morning. So I'm gonna put y'all up on pause. Okay, I got all the bolts in place. I ain't tighten them down. We gotta find out what the torque specs are on it. So that's plenum with a P, right? Okay. Out here in the P section. All right. Let's see here. Do it with left hand. Okay, see, we find plenum. Pulley, plug, action sensor, oil seal. Do not see plenum. Plug, pulley, rocker arm. See, we find somewhere else. It's all alphabetically done. I did not see plenum. So, go through it a little bit. Cylinder head, drain plug, drive belt, EGR pipe, EGR valve adapter, EGR engine mount, two manifold, okay, exhaust, flywheel, 11 pounds, already got all that. Fuel rail, intake manifold to cylinder head, we got that. Intake manifold to plenum, intake manifold plenum to intake manifold, 7.42 pounds. Okay, we was in the wrong place. That's right there. Yeah, intake manifold plenum to intake manifold. Okay, 7.242 pounds. All right, that's what we gotta do. So, I'm gonna put y'all down, put you on stop, and I still gotta do this right in here too, and show you that I got 2 bolts of them. I got 2 of those bolts right here. I gotta find one more. I got plenty of them. I got 2 engines. So, I'll see y'all later. Bye.